ìṣọ̀kan àti òmìnira ní kẹ̀kẹ́ ká máa lépa tẹ̀síwájú fọkọ̀ ilé àti ohun tó dára ọmọ ìgbà ìgbé bọ́ sípò ẹ̀tọ́ rẹ̀.
Ilé bàbá yín ò kí dẹ́rù bẹ̀ ní ilé wa láwà. A lè sọ ọ́ dé anywhere. Ní Olúwa kó bá wa tẹ́ wọn sí afẹ́fẹ́ ẹ jókòó ẹ ṣe. A Sharia court in Oyo town and its environs to cause a disruption of the peace in Yorubaland. The Yoruba Regional Alliance Worldwide, in association with different Yoruba organizations all over Yorubaland and the world at large, wish to bring to your notice the recent invitation of a group called Supreme Council for Sharia in Nigeria to an event titled Inauguration Ceremony of Sharia Court in Oyo Town and its environs. Without mincing words, we hereby state categorically that this is an attempt to cause chaos, specifically in Oyo Town and its environs, and generally in Oyo State and Yorubaland. It's an insidious move to disrupt the progress and pace of development that Oyo State is experiencing under your tenure as governor. The Yoruba people are historically peace-loving and accommodating. We have built our culture and traditions to the admiration of people all over the world. The Yoruba nation has been the adjudged bastion of religious tolerance and harmonious living worldwide. Hardly is there any Yoruba family where you don't find adherents of Christianity, Islam, and Isheshe, Yoruba traditional religion. This harmony and balance has endured for centuries. We intend to keep it that way. For decades, Muslims from the north of Nigeria have been attempting to export their brand of Islam, which espouses violence, intolerance, jihad, and the anachronistic Sharia Islamic code into Yorubaland. It has always been vehemently rejected by our people, as this does not represent our values and who we are. Your Excellency, going back into history, it was the surreptitious importation of this religious code, which our people innocently accepted as a religion of peace, that was turned overnight into a jihad and a war of conquest against our people. This is the face of Fulani political Islam, which only seeks to foist the hegemony of the Fulani people over the rest of us. It will be rejected and combated seriously. They have a mantra to bury the Quran and the jihad sword in the sea. It will not happen. Their passage to achieve this will never be allowed to go through Yorubaland. Go, sir. Go, sir. We vehemently and unequivocally reject this. The Fulani jihad was decisively defeated and stopped in Osogbo in 1840. It cannot be allowed to resurrect. It was stopped there by a determined combination of Yoruba forces led by Ibadan, where we are. Otherwise, we would have had our Obas substituted with emirs. You will be any emir of Ondo, God forbid. Emir of Abeokuta, God forbid.
Emir of Badagry,
God forbid. Emir of Ilorin, Amayo.
You are coming.
Ọba of Ìlọrin lání ilé Àfọ̀njá lẹ́nu ti wá ẹ gbàgbé àṣìṣe Àfọ̀njá a máa institute ẹ̀ padà síbẹ̀ ni. Nonetheless, the negative effects of their incursion into Yorubaland still reverberates all over Yorubaland till today. All these unsolicited interferences into our way of life continue to reinforce our conviction that the best way to safeguard our culture and traditions is the establishment of an independent, sovereign Yoruba nation. Separate from Nigeria, where no virulent imputed dogma can be foisted on our people against our will.
Yes.
It is in the interest of Oyo town and its environs, Oyo State and the rest of Yorubaland that the inauguration of the Sharia court is not allowed to take place, and we stopped it on Saturday.
Never.
We stopped it.
Yes. Yes.
Allowed to take place anywhere in Yorubaland as it will lead to unimaginable chaos and cause massive dislocations beyond the imagination of everyone. This will seriously pain your government. I'm referring to Governor Seyi Makinde now. It will seriously pain the government in bad light. We totally reject and condemn the proposed inauguration while calling on the Oyo State government to forestall the impending catastrophe that by immediately putting a stop to any further preparations by the Supreme Council for Sharia in Nigeria to inaugurate the Sharia court in Oyo town and environ, in Oyo State and in other parts of Yorubaland. We heard recently that they had already postponed it. That postponement o.
We don't want it at all.
We want cancellation, total cancellation. Total cancellation ni. Ẹ̀sìn kọ́ máa gé wọ́ gẹ́sẹ̀. Ẹ̀sìn kí ọmọ má lè dọ̀bálẹ̀ kí bàbá ẹ̀. Ẹ̀sìn kí ọmọ obìnrin má lè kúnlẹ̀ kí ìyá ẹ̀. Ẹ̀sìn tó máa sọ pé ó jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kì ni wọ́n dá pàkìní. Ó jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kejì wọ́n gé ẹsẹ̀. Ó jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kẹta wọ́n dá apá kejì. Ó jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin wọ́n gé ẹsẹ̀ wọ́n á sẹ́ di kòkòté. Ṣé ìyẹn la fẹ́ ni?
No.
Ṣé ìyẹn la fẹ́ ni?
No.
Ṣé ìyẹn la fẹ́ ni? A stitch in time saves 9. Wọ́n wá fẹ́ sọ fún yín tí gbogbo Lagos àti gbé wọn lọ kóòtù àti olúwo ọ̀gbìnwó àti gbogbo wọn àti gbé wọn lọ kóòtù. Olúwo ló ń jẹ́ ní. We are writing a petition to the Inspector General of Police. At the competition, the Inspector General of Police is káwá tó kúrò Nàìjíríà. Àwọn á sì sọ fún wọn pé ẹ bá yẹ kí wàhálà ṣẹlẹ̀ o. At the competition yẹn, gbogbo àwọn tó kọ orúkọ wọn sí case file yẹn and kíní kan gbé jáde yẹn. Gbogbo wọn pátápátá àtàwọn agbátẹrù ẹ̀ àti kíní kan tó ń pè kíní kan ọ̀gbìn kíní yẹn wọ́n ní táàbù. Mufti of gbogbo láti gbé lọ láti confess. So wọ́n ló máa lọ gbé wọn. They will go and arrest them. Olúwa náà fẹ́ gbé wá o. Ojú bẹ́ẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ lọ gbogbo yín. Mo jẹ́ kí yín pé ilé kú àwọn èèyàn wa láti ìgbèríko, àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà níbí àti àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà nílùú òkèèrè, including bàbá wa Chief Sunday Adéyẹmọ alias Sunday Igboho. Wọ́n máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ sí. Wọ́n wò wá bá ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Mi gbọ́ yín. Sunday Igboho wọ́n máa bá wa. When bandits are coming to attack you, your community, it is the job of the state to protect you. And by the state, we mean the chief security officer of the state, which is the governor, and the various other security agencies like the police, the DSS, and all the rest. It's their job to protect us. But when they fail, and which is obvious in many cases that they have failed, when they fail to protect us, then we have the right of self-defense. The people, the Afenifere and the OPC under Gani Adams, they came out, they say they will work together with the police to ensure that this does not happen. All of us that are gathered here, we are ready. Anywhere we see them, we are ready. Gone are the days when they will just come into our towns and villages and be raping our daughters and be attacking our villages and killing our farmers and so on and so forth. Gone are those days. In the trust again, we have the right to self-defense and we will defend our people. We are ready here.
Ìyẹn náà àkọ́lọ̀ bọ́ lórí ẹ̀. Ìjọba Ọ̀ṣun sí ìjàmbá wa dá sí. A fẹ́ béèrè constitution tó fọba kalẹ̀ ń lu Ọ̀ṣun. Bóyá ẹbí àná ń jẹ níwò àbí ọba ni wọ́n ń jẹ níwò. So òun náà ń lọ court pẹ̀lú wa. Ṣé ẹ rí struggle wa yẹn bó ṣe wà láwẹ́ bàbá ṣe ń gbẹ́sẹ̀ fóònù ọ̀kan lómi ìyọjú ó túmọ̀.
Greetings to everyone. Dear esteemed youth of the Yoruba nation, we come before you today, united in purpose and resolve to address a matter of significant concern regarding the implementation of Sharia in the southwest region of Nigeria. As a leader of the Yoruba nation youth, Prophet Adelolu and I, OLAYOMI KOIKI, strongly condemn the attempt to impose Sharia law in our territory. The Yoruba nation is built on a foundation of culture, diversity, inclusion, and respect for all religions. Our strength lies in our ability to coexist peacefully, embracing our differences while working towards a united front. While working a united front for the growth and development of our people. The introduction of Sharia law poses a direct threat to our cultural identity, and we celebrate our rich cultural heritage without fear of marginalization. We urge our youth to remain vigilant and encourage in conversations surrounding our legal cultural landscape. It is our responsibility to advocate for inclusive society that champions the rights of all its members, ensuring that our voices are heard and our interests are protected. Together, let us work towards our future, where unity, peace, and respect for individual rights prevail in the Yoruba nation. In solidarity, Prophet Adelolu, Diaspora Youth Leader, and I, Koikimedia, which everybody knows as Koikimedia, Southwest Leader, we appreciate your attendance to this crucial issue and encourage widespread dissemination of this message. Olúwàgbéwà kò ní fi ọ̀dàlẹ̀, kò ní súnwà, kò ní rẹwà, orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá kò sí ìpadà, òtòrókò ńlá fẹ́, ẹ ṣé gbogbo ilé àdẹ̀dúpẹ́ náà.
In our new nation, Yoruba nation, ọmọ mi ò ní pẹ́ ní àwọn ọmọ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàtà yóò dé wa every corner of Yorubaland.
So báwo lẹ ti wá fẹ́ pa àbí èmi tí mo pẹ́ nílé babaláwo tó ń gbé babaláwo kọ́ mi kékeré tí bàbá mi tó mú mi lọ church ṣé ẹnìkan wá sọ wípé àwa lọ pa Ifágbèmí màá máa wò ó ràn pé torí ẹ̀sìn à ń sọ fún yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin àti eléyìí tó wà níwò àti eléyìí tó wà ní gbogbo àwọn ìmáàmù Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ tó ní àwọn ní secret Sharia court kan l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ la gbọ́ lórí fọ́nrán àáfẹ̀yí sọ fún yín kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbọ́ wa dáadáa Yorùbá ní kóró báyìí àárọ̀ fún àdìtì ẹ gbọ́ wa dáadáa tẹ́ ẹ bá gbìyànjú ẹ̀ tó bá bọ́ sí a máa gbé àwọn ajagunkú ẹ̀sìn kìrìsìtẹ́nì dìde àádẹ́kọ̀ọ́jú ní àkókò dáìlẹ̀.
So that when they are hearing us, they will know we are speaking to the world. This is a press release from Yoruba Nation Religious Council, Yoruba, dated 15th January 2025. To whom it may concern, subject, firm rejection of Sharia law in Yorubaland. The Yoruba Nation Religious Council, Yoruba, is a coalition of the Yoruba Nation Christian Association, Yonka, Muslim Association of Yoruba Nation, Yon, and Imodaye Orile Yoruba, which is Isheshe. In our new nation,
Family stands as a voice of unity and religious tolerance within Yorubaland. We, as Yorubaland, unequivocally state our opposition to the introduction of the Islamic legal system known as Sharia into Yorubaland. The proposal, championed by external religious fanatics from the Sokoto Caliphate, with the collaboration of a few Yoruba Muslims, is not representative of the will or cultural heritage of the Yoruba people. The Yoruba nation is founded on the principles of mutual respect, diversity, and religious tolerance. Our people have long maintained harmony among Christians, Muslims, and adherents of our traditional religion, which is Ishashi. Sharia law, with its legal and cultural implications, threatens the delicate balance and seeks to impose a system that is alien to our collective values and traditions. We, as Yorubaland, stand united in our rejection of any attempt to forcefully implement Sharia law in any part of Yorubaland. Our position is clear. Religious tolerance must be upheld, and no single religion should dominate or dictate the legal framework of our land. We call on all Yoruba people, both within and outside the nation, to resist this imposition and stand firm in protecting unity, culture, and freedom of the Yoruba people. Let us continue to uphold the principles of existence and mutual respect that define us as one people. This is our stand, and we are not moving an inch from it until we achieve it. Any opposition to any of our culture in Yoruba, we are ready to resist it with utmost power. And we are ready. Let the government or anybody hear this. We are ready to fight this cause with the last blood in our vein. Thank you. God bless you. I remain Comrade Pastor Oluwafemi Joshua Edafemi. God bless you.
Kí ló jẹ́ kí Yorùbá máa tọ́wọ́ jẹ́? Kí ló jẹ́ kí Yorùbá àwa dàbí ẹni tí ò tiẹ̀ ní Ọlọ́run, tí Ọlọ́run ò kí ń gbàdúrà wa nítorí pé a ti sọ Ọlọ́run wa lò nínú àṣà àti èdè wa. Àwọn tó gbé ẹ̀sìn Islam wá, èmi fẹ́ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé kí Islam Fúlàní kọ́ ló gbé Islam wọlé Yorùbá. Islam came to Yorubaland as far back under the Ottoman Empire. Àwọn ṣì náà gbé ló gbé ẹ̀sìn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ wò láti gbà yẹn gbọ́ wípé ìjà ẹ̀sìn ó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Yorùbá nínú Èkó wọ́n tó wọ̀dọ́. Islam wọ̀dọ́, ọrọ̀ ajé ló gbé ẹ̀sìn Islam wọ̀dọ́, kò kì í ṣe conquest. Àwọn tó wá láti ibi tá à ń pè ní Western Sudan.
Wetin wan against Allah or Muhammad? Wọ́n máa di orí ẹ̀ ní. Lọ́sí receive ẹ máa pẹ́ ṣe ẹ fẹ́ ká máa dá iná bọ̀yá àbúrò àbá Lọ́sí receive of corruption in the land. E.g. disbelief, terrorism, lawlessness, and wọ́n ní crucifixion, wọ́n máa kọ́ máa gbélé mọ́ sí. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́? Àbí kò ń gé apá ẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ fẹ́?
Orúkọ mi ni Comrade Pastor Olúwafẹ́mi Joshua Ẹ̀dáfẹ́mi.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni bàbá mi, ipò wo ni ẹ dìmú nínú ìrìn àjò tí à ń rìn pàápàá jùlọ nípa ti àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá lápapọ̀?
Ó pọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n briefly kí n kàn fún wa ní bó ṣe ń lọ. Èmi ni president Odùduwà Republican Movement ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Bẹ̀tí ní ìta fi wá síbí lónìí under Yoruba Nation Religious Council UNAREC, èmi ni chairman wọn.
Ẹ ṣé bàbá mi. Ní àkọ́kọ́ náà, kí ni pàtàkì UNAREC tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀? Nítorí mo rí nóòtù Sharia law, mo rí yọ́ǹkà, mo rí mayor, mo rí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan mèremère tó jọmọ́ àpapọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Kí ni pàtàkì UNAREC tí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀?
Ẹ ṣeun. Pàtàkì UNAREC ni wípé ẹgbẹ́ yìí ló kó ẹ̀sìn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta tó wà ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí Yorùbá dẹ̀ recognize. Ẹgbẹ́ yìí ló kó wọn papọ̀ sí ojú kan, là ń pè wọ́n ní UNAREC, Yoruba Nation Religious Council.
Ẹ ṣé bàbá mi. Tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa religion tolerance tí àwọn oní Yorùbá mọ̀ sí ká fi ẹ̀sìn fẹ́lẹ́sìn, kí ni ẹ lè sọ pa ẹ̀, pàápàá jùlọ kí ni pàtàkì ẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti kí tún ní ìdí tí a fi gbọdọ̀ fi ẹ̀sìn fẹ́lẹ́sìn kí oníkálukú kí wọ́n sin ẹ̀sìn wọn lọ́nà.
Ṣé rí láti àtètè kan ṣe ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni wọ́n ti ní wípé ẹ̀sìn ò fàjà, olúkúlùkù ló ní opinion ara ẹ̀, ohun tí olúkúlùkù bá ń ṣe ó ní agbára lórí ìmọ̀ ara rẹ̀, ète ara rẹ̀. So I can't control you on anything you choose. Ìyẹn náà pè ní ènìyàn tó lè yan nǹkan kan fún ara rẹ̀. So it would be bad kí wọ́n máa force nǹkan kan lé lórí, kí n sọ pé nǹkan báyìí ló gbúdọ̀ ṣe, nǹkan báyìí ló gbúdọ̀ ṣe. That means mi fún ẹni freedom nìyẹn. We must tolerate ourselves. Ìyẹn ni pé ká gbà fúnra wa, ohun tí mo fẹ́ ṣe rèé kí n gbà fún ẹ, ohun tó fẹ́ ṣe rèé kí n gbà fún ẹ. Now irú èmi ní ìsìn kí n tó di pastor nínú ọ̀dọ́ wa, eégún wà ń bẹ̀, òrìṣà wà ń bẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ṣé torí pé mo ti wá di pastor ọ̀sìn kí wọ́n lọ pa gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi tó ń ṣòrìṣà? No, ohun tó fẹ́ yàn ni wọ́n yàn, ohun tẹ̀mí fẹ́ yàn ni mo yàn, a gbọ́dọ̀ gbà fúnra wa.
Ẹ ṣé bàbá mi, kí ni ìbàjẹ́ tí ó máa wà nínú pé tí a bá gba Sharia law eléyìí tó jẹ́ òfin àwọn ará àtọ̀húnrìnwá, kí ni ìbàjẹ́ tó máa kí ni okùnfà tó máa fà sí àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ìpalára?
Ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ rí wípé màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbì kan tó jẹ́ ká wà ní oko ẹrú ta wà yìí. Àwọn kan ti kọ́kọ́ wá ní àkókò kan, wọ́n mú èdè tiwọn wá, wọ́n ra èdè tiwa lọ, a ò mọ èdè tiwa mọ́, èdè tiwọn là ń sọ. Àwọn kan ti wá, wọ́n gbé aṣọ tiwọn wá, àárí aṣọ wa, àṣà wa ti di nǹkan míì. Ṣé rí ohun tí ó jọ mọ́ àṣà Yorùbá, èdè Yorùbá àti gbogbo nǹkan tó jọ mọ́ Yorùbá, a gbọ́dọ̀ máa ṣe ní àkókò yìí kí a bá lè maintain integrity ara wa. Ìpalára wà púpọ̀ tó bá gbé òfin jàgídíjàgan yìí wá. Èmi pè ní òfin jàgídíjàgan, òfin tó jẹ́ wípé o ò ní ṣe lé lórí, ká máa gé apá èèyàn, ká máa gé ọrùn èèyàn. Ẹ̀sà, báwo ni ó ṣe jẹ́ atọ́kùn, báwo ni ó ṣe jẹ́ kí àbúrò mi tó jẹ́ Mùtáírù wọ́n sọ wípé torí pé ó ṣe nǹkan kan pàtó kò nínú mùsùlùmí ọlọ́gẹ́ orí rẹ̀ wo ìpalára tó máa mú wá ọ̀pọ̀ gan yóò fa ogun abẹ́lé gidi.
Ẹ ṣé bàbá mi, kí ni àmọ̀ràn tẹ wá ní fún àwọn èèyàn pàápàá jùlọ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá káàkiri àgbáyé ní ṣókí ni o nípa láti má ṣe gba òfin tí ń pa ọmọ ènìyàn lára yìí?
Ìmọ̀ràn mi ni wípé kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá pátá wọ́n dìde sí òfin yìí. Òfin burúkú ni, òfin jàgídíjàgan, òfin tẹ́rọ́rìsì ni. Kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ní gbogbo àgbáláyé pátá wọ́n dìde, wọ́n má gbà sí òfin yìí, wọ́n má gbà láti fi òfin yìí lọ́lẹ̀. A lè sọ bóyá àwọn kan wọ́n lè pera wọn lọ́ba, àwọn kan lè pera wọn níjòyè, àwọn kan lè pera wọn ní nǹkan kan, pé wọ́n lè gbé nǹkan yìí wá síbí fún ìpalára wọn torí bí wọ́n ti gbowó. Àmọ́ pé yẹn ó kọ́mọ̀ nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, tó bá ti gbowó wọ́n lè ta ọmọ wọn, tó bá ti gbowó wọ́n lè ta aya wọn. Kò sí nǹkan fi yàtọ̀ sí yahoo tó fi bàbá wọn ṣòwò. ohun tí àwọn èèyàn wà fún nìyẹn ṣùgbọ́n kí gbogbo Yorùbá ní gbogbo àgbálá ayé wọ́n dìde against this non-entity law. Yes, non-entity law. We don't want it and we must reject it.
ẹ ṣe gan ni orúkọ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Mo ti sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan mọ́ ní orúkọ mi ní comrade pastor Olúwafẹ́mi Joshua Ẹ̀dáfẹ́mi.
Orúkọ tèmi ní kọmílò ìgúnlẹ̀ Olúwamáyọ̀wá ọmọ tó yọ̀ lè tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí kọmílò mẹ́yọ̀ tí mo jẹ́ olórí ọ̀dọ́ fún orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Ní ṣókí nǹkan tí a wá fún ibà ni pé a wá fún láti tako nǹkan tó ń pè ní òfin ṣẹ̀ríà tó tá bá dẹ̀ rí nǹkan tó ń pè ní òfin ṣẹ̀ríà gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwa ọ̀dọ́ a wá fún láti tako nǹkan tó ń pè ní òfin ṣẹ̀ríà a ṣe ìlòdì sí òfin ṣẹ̀ríà torí pé òfin payanpayan ni òfin tó dẹ̀ ń lò ní Saudi ni